Brand new meats all the way around, man. Ghost coming back.
But one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
And what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So if y'all missed it, we did get Ghost back running, but I'm gonna show y'all what has been done that goes behind the scenes. The reason why I haven't been posting like that, y'all know I'm trying to get Ghost back right, and he very close to being back right. Couple major, I ain't gonna say major, a couple major things that need to be handled, but it's minor, if it makes sense. But it's major in its own way, if that makes sense. It's minor, but it's major in its own way. Yeah, we'll put it like that. So if y'all interested in seeing the progress Ghost has made since I got it back running and got it back mobile, y'all make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, because this round with Ghost, man, I'm not half-stepping. I'm not going to just get the car running and throw music in and just say, forget it. You know, this time I'm actually going to do it the right way. And the right way is going to be making sure the car is absolutely reliable and can be taken anywhere across the globe with no issues. And that's what we're working on first, guys. So let's get it. First ride in Ghost since he back, man. I'm to head uptown, run 1 or 2 errands and put some gas in it. And the gas treatment and then injector cleaner put in it. And put some gas in it. But I just wanted to get it out on the road, man. A little quick run. Just to see what it ride like on the highway. Like I said, I'm trying to be careful because these tires I'm riding on right now dry right as the hell, can't lie. So I ain't doing nothing like 50. I'm cruising. But nevertheless, we rolling, y'all. Slowly but surely coming back. I got all my window regulator supposed to be coming in tomorrow, so we're gonna start doing that. And yeah, got to figure out how the fuck to get all that overspray on my damn windshield and shit. And I'm gonna order another headliner and all that. I'm gonna go and do all that before we put some bass in it, y'all. I want this bitch to be A1 again. Can't lie. Let's get it. Okay, first thing first, guys. As y'all can see, Ghost is right back pure white. First thing I did was I cleaned Ghost up. As y'all can see, I'm missing molding and trimming and all that, but that's in the back seat, and I got a plan for all this, man. I'm actually gonna take all the molding off, and I just went and got a scraper, and I actually started scraping some of that stuff off. Got some of the paint, I chipped the paint a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about that because Ghost is going to Mako. Yeah, I said Mako. He is going to Mako, get him a touch-up paint job. You know, I'm gonna go back white, probably add some gold flakes or something like that in it. Something super simple, kind of super cheap, but it's gonna be clean. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know this channel is based on the budget. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be clean and simple. So that's why I said I'm going to Mako with it. So I ain't too much concerned about the paint. He gonna get sprayed. But the first thing I did was clean them off. I drop an image right here. What he looked like when he came from the shop and how nasty and dirty it was. And when the sun hit it, guys, I mean, it's white. It's white. This motherfucker is white. Ain't no mistaking it. But Ghost is clean. And I actually use oven cleaner on this motherfucker, y'all. Believe it or not, I had some oven cleaner and I sprayed it on all that old pollen and build up dirty stuff. I sprayed it on there, let it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes, and the stuff was literally dripping off the car. I really ain't even have to put no soap and water on it after that, man. After I put that high pressure hose nozzle on it, man, the stuff really just fell the fuck off. And I went over it, washed it, soap and water. That's how your brain goes back from the dead, baby. That was clean. My boy's helping me. That one clean. My boy's helping me. And Ghost coming back to life, baby. We back pure white. I see my boy. They helping me out today, y'all. They get it. See how you bring one back? And he back pure white. So, the next thing I did was I went in the storage house, got my brand new hubcap that I been had, put them on him. I put those on him all the way around, brand new hubcap. And like y'all see, y'all, I'm missing that little piece fell off too. But like I said, I'm gonna get all that shit off. I'm taking all the molding off, man, because I'm tired of the shit falling off. And when I put it back on, it fall off again. So I'm gonna do away with the molding on the car for sure. Save myself a headache. And next thing I did, I went and got my brand new tire put on it, man. Yes, sir. Brand new meats all the way around, man. Ghost coming back. The old dry rotted motherfuckers. Yes, sir. Got them brand new skins on Ghost, man. Brand new skin. Better throw these old dry rotted motherfuckers in the trunk. Y'all can see they dry rotted like hell. Better throw these in the trunk. All brand new tires, all 4 corners. Eventually gonna order me some more headlights. I don't know if I want to go back with the black ones or do I want to get the halo projector chrome ones, which I probably do. I probably gonna spice them up a little bit, but yeah. I mean, it's a slow process, but it's coming. It's really coming, guys. I got my oil change kit right here. I got my little scraper right there for the adhesive from this molding. And I'm gonna order one of the cheap $11 to $13 eraser wheel for this. So all the little extra stuff y'all see right here, I'm gonna get that off with that. So it should be a fairly clean look after I get that wheel in. I have to order that on Amazon, but that's for another video. My next step is, like I said, I'm gonna change the oil in it. It's not skipping, it's not running bad, so I don't think I need spark plugs and coil packs right now because that was brand new when I got it back running the first time. So I shouldn't need any of those. It's not missing a beat at all. But I am gonna change the oil because I can't remember the last time the oil was changed in it. And after I get the oil changed, I am going to put my window regulators in, which should be here today or tomorrow. So all 4 of my window regulators with the motors are coming in. Ain't no more of this ghetto stuff with a piece of cardboard holding your window up and all that. Ain't no more of that. I'm gonna get all 4 of my windows working. And after I get my window regulators in, this is the simple but major thing I was talking about, because 9 times out of 10 you got to drop the gas tank to get to that sensor on the top of this gas tank to replace and plug back in. And I think that's got something to do with emissions, and that's the reason why after Ghost is running for a while, you get a little hint of gas. You get that hint of gas smell. So we gonna get that sorted out. Once I get that sorted out with that that sensor on the gas tank, I mean, honestly, there's nothing else to do besides, Ghost does have a little plate in the steering wheel. Got to figure out, is it the gearbox on the steering column, or is there any other part I need to replace? I'm gonna get that sorted out. And that's basically it, guys. I mean, I'm already 65% done with what needs to be done with Ghost, you know, so it's gonna take a couple more weeks before I get him all the way A1. It's about to get cold right now. I'm not too concerned about the AC because the heat blow A1 in here right now. But when it does start getting back warm, I am going to go and get the AC fixed or see what's wrong. Then again, I'm probably going to get that fixed now. It may even be a little cheaper, being that it's about to get cold to even deal with the AC. You know, prices go up when it's in high demand. So I'm probably going to get that done too. But all in all, there's really not much Ghost need at all. You know, like I said, I'm taking all the molding off of it in the next couple of days, but there'll be a whole video dedicated to that. And I'll show you guys how to debadge and or take the molding off y'all vehicle without damaging your paint once I get that wheel in. So, yeah. I got a lot of video planned, but the most major thing I got planned right now is put my window regulators in, because y'all see I got a piece of cardboard in there to hold the windows up. The only window that actually works is the passenger side window, and it's on its last leg. So I just ordered all four, put brand new motors, regulators, and all that in it. Everything in the door as far as the windows go is going to be brand new. So it's coming together, man. I just want to give y'all a quick update video, let y'all know what's going on with it. But I'm working behind the scene, man. Stay tuned for more videos and the bigger plan that I have for this car. Leave in the comment, man. I don't know if I want 412s, 610s, or 88s. I don't know, guys. I done had 215. I actually had 412s before, can't lie. I never had nothing crazy like 610s or 88s or something like that. But if I was to go the route with like 610s or 88s, they're gonna have to be beastie for sure. They can't be no cookie cutter 8s or 10s. They're gonna have to be some beast for it to even be anything. But I'm leaning toward 4 good strong 12s on 8 to 12,000 watts. And I'm gonna build me a headway lithium bank, you know. I'm gonna buy cells over a period of time so I can build me a massive bank to be able to support whatever I want to put in it. So that's the current plan, guys. So, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that little video I just put together, man. There will be part 1 of the restoration of Ghost 2.0. We doing it all the way right this time, guys, man. Before I put any type of music in it, he gonna have to be A1 mechanically for sure. But if y'all rocking with that video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, man, and go subscribe to my second channel, man, Life with Cars. The link will be in the description below, man. A lot of behind the scenes stuff as far as the build on Ghost will be on that channel. I've been slipping on that channel, but we almost at 500 subscribers. So if we can get to 500 subscribers, I will start posting more videos, guys. So let's get that Life with Cars channel to 500 subscribers, and I will start posting way more videos on that channel, guys. Need that motivation, man. Let's get it. We out.
We dream they could start off as nightmares, yeah. You can voice your opinion, but who really cares, yeah. Niggas saying that I motherfucking been here before. Like I got a whole soul, you know. We cool. Not that same dude back in high school. Trials and tribulation had to make